I hope you're doing well today and enjoying the week. If your school system is on spring break like the university, I hope it is going well and that you are finding time to relax. I wanted to send this short video to discuss Module 5 and the midterm that's expected for you to complete at the end of Module 5. Also, you have your student interview analysis that's due at the end of Module 5. Both of those assignments are due March 25th. If you'd like to also, I'd like to discuss the class conversations that are currently taking place. First, for Module 5. As I created the midterm, I realized that there's a lot of studying and synthesizing of material that is required for you to do on the exam. As such, I wanted you to focus on the exam and preparing for that. While you will need to complete the readings for this module, you will not need to complete a class conversation for Module 5. In thinking about the midterm, it was my goal to simulate the writing experience that you will encounter when you take your comprehensive final examination. No longer will you receive your comp questions ahead of time. Rather, you will be expected to look back at your course materials and study for the exam. In light of that, I thought it helpful to direct your studying by providing comp-like questions. I will follow the same format for your final examination. My hope is that you will read the questions now, study your information based on those questions, put your study materials down, and then respond to two of the three questions. As you write your responses, you will need to provide references to support your ideas. This information should come from class readings, journal articles, and any additional information you uncover during your preparation. The time frame that I provided is simply to give you an idea of a typical length of time for this type of examination. Also, you will be expected to write for 1 hour per question during your comprehensive final. All you need to do is study your materials and write what you know. I'm sure you will do well. Now, as you know, your student interview papers are due on March 25th as well. Make sure you use pseudonyms for all students, parents, teachers, and school names. Also, simply write your impressions of the information you gathered during the interview. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact me. Finally, I suggest y'all take a look at the class participation scoring guide for class conversations. In that, I'm looking for y'all to respond to a classmate's information. Now, you do not need to respond to everyone, but I think it would be interesting if you would respond, or more of y'all would provide follow-up thoughts to something your classmates have said. I'll post class conversations for class conversation grades for Module 4 next week. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact me.